Namaste. I am Sri Arjun. Our planet is going through a very tough time. What we experience now, there are stress, strain, suffering, instability, agony, suppression everywhere in this planet. If we study the history of last century, we will see there are tremendous advancement in the field of technology, economics and medical. But in spite of all that, we are suffering. Why? One of the main reason is our distorted education system. Our parents, societies, school, colleges and universities education taught us how to make money. In any faculty of education, you will see they are making us money making machine. We have become a money making machine. That is the problem. Today we are taught to make jet planes, big buildings, concrete roads. Today we can manage the complicated finance systems of a big corporate house. We can manage the complicated finance system of a country. Today we have powerful support of medical knowledge. We are living in a big house, affluent societies. In spite of all that, our life is totally empty and ugly. Why? Because our hearts are filled with the things of the mind. We have contradicted ourselves. That should not be so. We have no time, we have no space. We have no question in our mind, where we are heading for. We have good partners, good children, everything we have today. But what our life is meant for? What is the ultimate frontier of our life? Why we came to this planet? We have not questioned. Our education system should start with this question: why we came to this planet? What is our life is meant for? All the process of education should start with this question. consciousness is the fundamental block of this creation. It is the fundamental force of all destruction. Without learning and without understanding the force of consciousness, our life will not be complete. With the power of consciousness, with the understanding of consciousness, with the application of higher consciousness, we should clean our heart of the things of the mind. Today our heart is filled with the things of the mind. It should be cleaned. Our education should incorporate the subject of consciousness. Every university, colleges and school students should be taught with the knowledge of consciousness. Then we can find a permanent solution to all our problems. With the power of consciousness, we can bring peace, stability in every aspect of human life. We can find the purpose of our life. We can find answer why we came to this planet, what is our life is meant for. This book, Face Off, will be an immense help in this purpose. This book will help you to understand the meaning of consciousness and its scope and possibilities in human life. To build a stress, strain, suffering free planet. So my dear friends, this book is available in the Kindle edition in Amazon. You can buy and read it over there. Understand the power of consciousness. Apply it in your life to bring a permanent solution, a permanent change in individual and global life.